Hey guys, welcome to Random Things with Jayden. I am Jayden, and today we are going to a waterfall. It's gonna be awesome. I am excited. It's Christian's birthday. We're gonna celebrate him today. And right now we're walking to the market, and that's where we're gonna meet like a ride or whatever it's called.
You gotta walk up by that.
So, yeah, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is not acceptable. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, ready? Last one is always the hardest. See? My version was better. 9 seconds of tickle was better. I still have one more punch. Hurry up! What are you doing? Hurry up! Well, I don't want to punch you in a place where it's gonna hurt. I'm gonna sock you in the stomach. Your head. I'm not punching you in the hands. There's no muscle there. No siblings.
I touched you 13 times.
Stand up. I'm not 13 though. I'm 14.
I'm about to eat my ass.
Yep. Last time's always the hardest.
Practical punch! Ah! Oh.
Ah! Okay, that one wasn't that hard. I'm really mad. There we go.
She hit me 10 times.
That Jurassic Park took place here in the Dominican Republic. It probably didn't, but it's okay. I can dream.
What do you think?
Are your eyes closed?
This is pretty.
Look at this dude scuba
Like,
diving.
look,
Scuba diving.
there's people. Look inside here. It's like little seashells everywhere. Christian, did you hear that? Where? What do you see something? I don't know what those are, but they're cool.
Where do you see one?
Okay, come on, my friend. In 1, in 2, in 1, 2, 3. Alegre vengo
I didn't want to do that. Where are my shells?
That was cool.
Give me.
there, if you turn around. There's a waterfall, and it is, as we're swimming in this, it's also raining. But, oh well. Really relaxing. I didn't expect it to be this awesome, so.
Are we Spanish or English?
Spanish. We're
Ready?
in Punta Cana.
Here we go.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti.
What?
It's a boy.
Yay!
I know, before we stood off the fire.
Happy birthday, dork.